I want to go through the Weasler catalog for just a minute, especially reference the part numbering section. A couple of things about our catalog. We've actually done a few reprints in the past, so you may find that some of the page numbers differ, but all the material is consistent with page 9. On the back cover of our catalog is our phone number. So anytime you have any questions about identification or anything like that for application, please give us a call. If you turn over in your newest catalog to page 42, you'll see the exploded view of a shaft at the top of the page. This is the most commonly used parts and components that make up a PTO driveline. Every part has its own identifying prefix. So for example, the tractor yoke always starts with a 100 part number, and it walks all the way up the shaft. So your cross and bearing kit or U-joint is a 200 part number. The shaft yoke is a 300. The actual shaft is 400. The tube is 600. The tube yoke 700. You have another cross and bearing kit, and then finally the implement yoke. You also see that the actual guarding is a 900 part number. Below that are a couple of examples. I always like to point out the tractor yoke example. You'll see it's highlighted right below the picture. 102, 06, 06. If you walk through that, 102 tells me it's a tractor yoke for the 100 prefix. The 02 is the quick disconnect identifier. You've got a dash. The first two numbers after the dash always tell you something about the series. In this case, it's 6 series. And the last two digits, 06, 6 spline. It goes on a 6 spline PTO. Another example I'll show you is the 800 part number, which is the implement yoke. In this case, 800, 35, 24. 800 is the implement yoke. 35, again, is the series. It's the first two numbers after the dash. The last two digits there, 24. 24 16ths, inch and a half round bore.